Hey, hi everyone, welcome to this new video. Today you will see how can you install Python's request module in your Python environment. The only step is you need to go to a terminal and type the command pip install requests. Hit enter and wait for some time and request will install in your Python environment. You will see the message successfully installed requests. Clear the console and let's check if request is installed or not. Type the code import requests. Save it and run the code. Let's go to the folder request learning and run the code like python test.py. When you hit enter and you are not getting any error, it means request module is installed in your Python environment. You can also check it by the command pip show requests and hit enter, and it will show you the installation like name, version and other details. I hope you like this video, and if this video helps you, just make sure you hit that like button, and if you are on the channel for the first time, hit the subscribe button. And if you want to learn everything about request module, I have created a dedicated playlist for request module, and you can check out the link in the description as well as in the I link. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next video.